feet so I can go slow.
It's okay. I like it down here though. It's just in the water.
Oh, I just seen a fish jump out the water.
You did?
Yeah. It ate a bug.
Mm.
You probably captured it on their thing.
I may have. I just don't want. I want to be before that curve.
You still have
You see it?
Mm-hmm.
Look, that just came in the water.
Oh, yeah, get that.
I am. Hold me.
He caught a fish.
Can you go closer?
They see it too. He's trying to get it out. He impaled it, so it's oh, there.
Oh, he dropped it.
He got it though. He loaded it, so it's good. He's still underwater. There he goes. Oh wow! I didn't know they went underwater like that. That's that long. I mean, that's crazy.
Are you going a little closer?
He went
Are
underwater
they?
right
They're
there.
way far. Let's just go.
Oh man, they're right there.
I don't.
Yeah, they're right behind them. Actually, they're in that. They're in their
Where
cluster.
are we waiting? We're gonna let them go ahead of
They're
us?
in their cluster.
There he is. No, there's something else. No, that's him.
Yeah, he got out of the water.
I didn't know they go on a tree. Look at it. They go on the tree like that? You guys, look at this tree is
You're gonna scare her.
when you come by.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, he just ate a fish.
Yeah, we saw him
Yeah.
hopping around.
Now he's climbing the tree.
Oh, wow. He's scaling this tree.
You'll see him though. He's still gonna be there. Oh,
Did you get a fishy?
How'd you do, bub?
Did you do good?
Oh, look at a fish right here, dude. That's what he stole. This thing's pretty heavy. Oh, yeah.
Get those feathers.
Oh, he's gives me cool.
La que se
Look.
escuchaba más antes de esa.
a Florida person. It'd be a nice
Yo empecé a escuchar. No, yo empecé a escuchar era. ¿Comprar el machete? No, eso no sabía de ellos. Hasta que llegué aquí, de hecho, Chepe me dijo de ellos. Comprar el machete.
Hello.
Ya.
Oh.